Okay, so A, you're going to go up 1, so that's going to be positive 1. Then how many do I run to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 over 12. Can I reduce 1 over 12?
Nope. No.
Nope.
It'd be like 6. What? 12.
Okay, B to D.
Wait, you're not going to simplify?
I can't. If I put 1 over 12 in my calculator,
0.
I get 1 over 12 is simplified down to 1 over 12. Okay? Okay, B to D, straight across. What is my slope for a straight line? Straight across is 0. B to F. Which one do I start at? B. And I'm going to go down how many? And what happens? Becomes -6 because I went down, right?
Yep.
And then to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Can I reduce -6 over 11?
No. Why can't you?
Because if I do -6 over 11, I get -6 over 11. Now watch. If it was -6 divided by 12, then that would be my reduced fraction. It reduces. But because I can't reduce -6 over 11, that's my answer. Okay? There's not two numbers that go into 6 and 11. Can 2 go into 6?
Yeah.
Can 2 go into 11?
No.
No. 3?
Oh.
Can 3 go into 6?
Yes.
Can 3 go into 11?
No. Okay. No. Yeah, no.
Okay? Does that make sense? Okay. All right, on the bottom. Now this one's a little bit different. This up here gave us dots to find slope between. This, does it give you the dots?
No.
No, you have to go find the dots. Okay, now, this is what I'm talking about right here. Let me explain this better because my last class didn't understand. When I'm talking about a corner, let's say, here's the T right here. Y'all see what I'm talking about? Can y'all see the pink?
Yeah. Barely.
Okay. I'm going to be talking about the line's got to go through the corner. This is the corner. Perfectly through a corner. If it goes perfectly through the corner, then that's going to be a dot. If it looks like this, let's say, here's my new T. This is what I'm focusing on right there. If I have a line and it goes like this, does it go through the corner?
No.
No. So that can't be a dot. Okay? It has to perfectly go right through the corner. Everybody see what I'm talking about? Okay.
If it doesn't go through the corner,
Then it's not a dot. Okay, so
let's say it's not a dot.
hold on. We're going to find the slope of A. Here's A. That's the line that I'm looking at. I have to have dots to find slope. Braxton. I have to have dots to find slope. Well, I'm not given dots on this line. I have to go find dots. In order to put a dot, it's got to go right through the corner, like I just showed you on this. Okay? So if I look, here's the corner, here's the line. Does this right here go through a corner?
No.
No. What about here?
No.
Look at your paper. It's kind of hard to see because it's blurry. Look right here on your paper.
Yes.
Yes, that is going to be a dot. That's my first dot. Does it go through the corner here?
No.
What about here?
Yes.
Yes.
Would.
Yep.
It's all.
And here. If you're confused and you can't tell, your dots are always going to be perfectly spaced out because it's down however many over how many, and then down however many, however over however many. It's always going to be the same. So if you can't tell, look at your other dots and see if it makes sense. Okay, they got to be perfectly spaced. Questions on how I did that? Okay, now that I have dots, I'm ready to find slope. Which way do we always run? Right. Okay, so can I start at this dot?
No.
No, because I would have to run left, and we don't do that. So I'm going to start here, and there it goes. So how many am I going to go down? 2, and what that makes it? -2, and I'm going to run to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I reduce -2 over 5?
No.
If I put it in my calculator, I get -2 over 5, so it's not, I can't reduce it. That's my answer. Okay? Okay, slope for B. Here's B. What's my slope for a straight line across?
0.
0. C. Here's C. Okay. Now it's at an angle, so I got to be able to find dots on C. So I need to know, where does it go perfectly through a corner? What do you notice? All of them. They all perfectly go through a corner, so I'm going to go put a dot on all of them. All right, how do I find slope? Pick 2 dots, rise over run. Okay? You usually want to pick 2 dots that are the closest to each other so you don't have to simplify your fraction. Okay? So if I pick this one, I'm going to go up 1 and right 1. So I went up. What's my slope on going up?
1
1 over 1, and it's positive. Can I reduce 1 over 1?
Yep,
Yeah.
1.
If I put 1 divided by 1 in my calculator, I get
1.
1. So it reduces to 1. Slope of D. Here's D right here. Do I have to find dots on D?
No.
No, because it's straight up and down, which would be undefined. Okay, questions?
Nope.